Welcome to the Accredited Drug Testing FMCSA AccuCheck program. This informational video is designed to provide step-by-step instructions in how to comply with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration's clearinghouse. The information in this video is provided by the FMCSA and is supplemented by additional information provided by Accredited Drug Testing, the nation's leading provider of DOT drug and alcohol testing services. The following persons or entities are required to register with the FMCSA Clearinghouse, which takes effect January 6, 2020. Those include commercial driver's license holders regulated by FMCSA, consortium and third-party administrators, medical review officers, employers who are regulated by FMCSA, and substance abuse professionals. Those that I have indicated must complete the registration process before you can respond to an employer consent request or access your driver record in the FMCSA Commercial Driver's License Drug and Alcohol Clearinghouse. Accessing the clearinghouse requires the creation of an account with login.gov, a shared service that offers secure online access to participating government systems, including the clearinghouse. First, you must visit clearinghouse.fmcsa.dot.gov/register. On the login.gov sign-in screen, click the Create an Account. The third step in the process is to enter your email address and click Submit. This is the email address the clearinghouse will use to send you notifications about your clearinghouse account. This email address will also be used to identify you in the clearinghouse and cannot be modified. The next step is to check your email and open the email from a no-reply@login.gov email address with the subject line, Confirm your email address. Once this has occurred, create a password. This password must be at least 12 characters long. If the password you enter is not strong enough, you will not be able to continue. Enter a strong password and click Continue then. Once you have done that and selected a password, you must select an option to secure your account and click Continue. The system requires the completion of a user verification process to ensure the proper person is using those credentials. Follow the instructions for the method you select. Once you have verified your credentials, you then can move on to entering a security code and then click Submit. This code will be provided via the method you selected. The screenshot below illustrates the SMS phone method. Once the user has completed setting up the authentication method, you will be prompted to set up a second authentication method. You'll only use one authentication method to sign in, but you will need to set up two methods in case you lose access to one. In the next step, after you have created your login.gov account, click Continue and return to the Clearinghouse website, and then you can complete your Clearinghouse registration. Once you have a login.gov account, you can complete your registration in the clearinghouse and then move forward. Once you have entered the clearinghouse portal, you will select your role: driver, MRO, employer, TPA, etc. Enter your contact information and click Next. All fields are required unless otherwise noted. Please remember, You must complete all fields unless it is noted. Your email address will be pre-filled with your login.gov username, and it cannot be modified. Then you will choose your preferred contact method. If you select U.S. Mail, you will see a message asking you to confirm this selection. Please keep in mind that notifications will include time-sensitive requests for actions you may need to take in the clearinghouse. Therefore, selecting U.S. Mail may result in delays in these notifications and may impact your eligibility to perform safety-sensitive functions. Then enter your current commercial driver's license or commercial learner's permit information and click Verify. The clearinghouse will verify this information against information in the commercial driver's license information systems. Once your CDL information is verified, you will not be able to edit it. If the clearinghouse cannot verify your CDL information, you will be asked to check that you entered it correctly, make any necessary corrections, and click Verify again. Please be aware that you will have 2 chances to enter this information. If your CDL information cannot be verified, you will need to contact your state driver's licensing agency to resolve any issues relating to your CDL information. You may continue with your clearinghouse registration, but you will not be able to review your driver record or respond to employer consent requests until your CDL information has been verified. Once all of this has been done, please review the clearinghouse terms and conditions. Your clearinghouse registration is complete at the conclusion of performing all of these tasks. If you are a single operator, owner-operator, you must select a third-party administrator to monitor, make inquiries, and administer the clearinghouse queries which are required annually. That is only if you are a single operator, owner-operator. If you are an employer, you may perform those duties as the employer, but if you are an owner-operator, you may not perform the queries yourself. You must enroll in a consortium, and you must select a third-party administrator to perform those services. If you have any additional questions on how to register for the clearinghouse, or what are the requirements of the clearinghouse, accredited drug testing provides full compliance to assist CDL license holders and trucking companies, regardless of size, in complying with the FMCSA clearinghouse. Our motto is simple, but it is true. We make the clearinghouse clear. For more information, you can contact Accredited Drug Testing at 1-800-221-4291. Thank you.